Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a KB5052093 Windows latest update not installing on your Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of problem issues in your system, then first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. This is a Windows update related issue. So first workaround is from the left side go to system and from the right side look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. This is an very important inbuilt tool of any Windows system. Click on other troubleshooters and here run Windows Update Troubleshoot. This is the first and initial workaround to fix your Windows Update related issue. Run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, resolved accordingly. After that, check whether your Windows Update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open Run dialog box, and in Run dialog box type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. Services windows will now open, and here you will have to start or restart various Windows Update related services, and the first one is Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Right click on it and first choose Start, and if you already found it in a start mode, then restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section and set it as automatic. Finally, choose apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services, same process, right click on it and first choose start and otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. And the third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and go to W alphabet list, and here you will find Windows installer services. Right click on it, same process, start, otherwise restart, and apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the window. And the last one is Windows update services. Right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. And after that, check whether your Windows update installing or not. If not, your problem is still, then go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. In command prompt windows, execute these three DISM tool one by one. In command prompt windows, DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will check any corrupted or bad system files in your system and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and here type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Disk cleanup wizard will open. Select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. A new window will open. Here go to files to delete and make the check against all these options: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails file, downloaded files. Make the check against all these options and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And after that, Restart your system and check whether Windows Update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Execute some Windows Update components as shown on the screen. First, execute these 4 commands to stop these 4 services. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows to stop these 4 services first, and thereafter execute some other Windows Update components as shown on screen. One by one, execute all these Windows Update components in your system, in your command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, start all those 4 services which you have earlier stopped them. Now execute this 4 command to start all those 4 services, followed by enter key on each time, one by one. And after that, close the windows and restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not, Windows installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Manually download and install Windows Update in your system. To download or install manually Windows Update, open Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser, and here type Microsoft Update Catalog in search field. Press enter and open first appeared result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it, and in Microsoft Update Catalog window, go to its search field and here type the desired KB update which you want to download and install it in your system, KB5052093, and click on search. All its related updates will available here. You can see cumulative update for Windows 11, and here click on download button against each update to manually download and install it in your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading process.